Hello. My Lennox iComfort thermostat screen went blank, just white snow. SNCC 13J23651. I removed it to replace the batteries, but of course it's not one with batteries, unless I don't know how to get to them. Thanks.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Heating and air conditioning has been my specialty for 46 years, so not much I can't solve if given the opportunity. Please acknowledge each of my replies even if you are unable to perform a certain task I ask you to or if you are hoping for a different answer. Together I believe we can solve this and find the best solution for you. I am working on several projects, so allow a few minutes for me to reply between our correspondence. You will also be receiving a live phone call offer. The offer is optional. You can accept the offer or ignore it. I am not always available to talk on phone, so it may be another expert who you talk to. Meanwhile, we can continue here as long as needed. This one is not battery powered. We have lost power from furnace or air handler. If screen is blank, we have lost power to the thermostat. Check breaker to indoor unit. Next, check near the indoor unit for a float switch and drain, and if you have one, lift it to see if we get power to thermostat. If that drain gets partially clogged, the float will kill power to, so it does not keep making water and ruin ceiling, carpet or floor. As water seeps out, it will reset and allow unit to come back on and run until water backs up again. https://i.imgur.com fn6j8.png https://i.imgur.com/lurtuk.jpg. If no float or float is okay, then look in indoor unit on control board for a small 3 or 5 amp car fuse that might be blown. https://i.imgur.com/ku4ips.png. Let me know what you find and we can go from here.
Hi Tim, I actually removed the furnace cover after asking the question, didn't see anything unusual. Put the cover back on, removed the thermostat again and reinstalled, and it slowly booted back up. I was able to get the AC back on, but the screen is slowly fading again. I assume that means my screen is dying. Just to clarify, the screen wasn't completely dark, without power, it was just blank with white snow.
May have an energy saving mode on, or the thermostat could be bleeding. If it fails and will not work, I would go ahead and get the Lennox folks on site.
Great, appreciate it.
Good luck.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.